This is a direct train from New Delhi to Agra. Started from what is the name? Nizamuddin. What is the name? Nizamuddin.
Hazrat Nizamuddin.
Hazrat
Nizamuddin.
Yes. Started from Hazrat Nizamuddin. This is the first stop for this. And it took only 1 hour 40 minutes to reach here. Fastest train. Okay, let's go.
Found the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji at the main road junction and offered him my salutes before walking towards Taj Mahal.
One more important thing I would like to bring to your notice is that if you see right behind Chhatrapati Shivaji statue, there is Taj Mahal metro station. It is not yet in operation, it is still in construction. So the construction is going on, okay? Let's get going. Government taxis available at the railway station in Agra. We took a taxi and then we've just arrived at the Taj Mahal. So the thing is with the taxis here, you should be aware that government taxis are available and you should not go for private taxis because there is a chance of exploitation by the private taxi. Even the government taxi drivers have suggested different places to us which we are not interested in. We told them right away we want to go to Taj Mahal first, so please drop us at the Taj Mahal. Later we will see what we want to explore based on the time we have. Oh shit, what is that? Monkey attacking people. Ticket? Just got ticket. Indian adult male 250 rupees. Along with the ticket they also gave a coin.
Oh, nice.
Now this coin has to be presented at the entrance. Okay? So there is one point here that I would like to mention. We forgot cash and they are not accepting online payments. No card also. You can't give card, you can't use your UPI. So what we had to do, we had to go out again onto the main road and find an ATM and withdraw cash and came back and then bought the tickets.
It's better come with cash.
Come with some cash, yes. So don't forget, otherwise you're gonna face some problems, okay? Have a look at these people here. So today is Sunday, which is why we are seeing this place full of crowd, okay? This is where the lines, the entrance, where we have to present this coin and they allow us inside. And behind me, what you see is Taj Mahal, okay?
Important information: 100 rupees penalty for the loss or damage of token, and the ticket is valid only for 3 hours.
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me, my time is now. In case you forgot or fell off, I'm still hot, knock your shell off. My money stacked fat, plus I can't turn the swell off. The franchise doing big business, I live this, it's automatic, I win this. So you hear those horns, you finish. A soldier, and I stay under you fighting. Plus I'm storming on you chumps like I'm thunder and lightning. Ain't no way you breaking me, kid, I'm harder than nails. Plus I keep it on lock like I'm part of the jail.
Powerful, huh? Alright folks, see what's happening here at Taj Mahal today. It was all sunny the whole day. Suddenly it started raining and people is finding shelter. You see at the back, at the other side, people are finding shelter, trying to escape from the rain. But we are different, we are special, okay? What we do, instead of trying to find a shelter and go and hide ourselves, we are gonna enjoy in the rain, okay? What you see behind me is Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders in the world. I'm so happy. I'm not able to find words to describe my feelings at the moment. But right now, to be able to make my journey to Taj Mahal today. I'm feeling blessed, I'm feeling so happy, and I just want to share my happiness with you. Okay, there are a lot of people here, not only from India, from different parts of the world. I just saw a Japanese group of people there and a few American bunch of people. So there are people from every part of the world, which is pouring down. See on the other side, pouring down. But this is, let me ask, Bhaiya, Taj Mahal history क्या है? Nobody knows what is the history of Taj Mahal. First time, I'm also coming for the first time. So what I know, Shah Jahan built this Taj Mahal in memory of, what's her name, bro? Mumtaz.
Memory of Mumtaz.
In memory of Mumtaz.
It's called also that monument of love.
Exactly. So this is called monument of love because Shah Jahan loves Mumtaz a lot. Mumtaz a lot. After Mumtaz passed away, he built Taj Mahal in memory of her. And yesterday we visited Red Fort. In Red Fort there is Mumtaz Mahal.
Mumtaz
where
Mahal
used to live. But here, after Mumtaz passed away, he built.
Ustad Ishmat Shankar alias Double Ishmat, made in Old City.
Hey.
शंकर एकदम डेंजर है और एक बार आया रे बेजा रे పెట్టిన పటాకే డబుల్ దిమాకే బड़े बड़ों को हिलाते सोचो रे शंभो हर शंकरा जातरा जातरा गली गली बुरा लली नारे दूर बेटा तुम मुरा गुंडल दम मुरा धुआं उड़े रुबाब को देखो रे किरी 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 माँ की किरी 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 माँ की किरी 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 माँ की किरी 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 माँ की किरी किरी
Exploring the monument of love in heavy rain is a special experience.
आपण का स्टाईल क्या है मालूम? किराक पोरुसते साइट मार, खतरनाक बीटोसते स्टेप्पा मार, स्टेप्पा मार, स्टेप्पा मार, स्टेप्पा मार, स्टेप्पा 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 मार, स्टेप्पा मार, स्टेप्पा मार, स्टेप्पा मार, स्टेप्पा 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 मार.
DJ Double Ishmat बाकी गिर गई
शाली बंड चंचल घोड़ा నీలంటోడు లేడే
We are getting close to Taj Mahal. I am pretty excited. I am sure you are also excited.
Yeah. Pushpa garu.
Pushpa. I am not Pushpa. I am John Cena.
You nag na?
You can't see me. Can you see me? You can't see me. Can you see me? 50 rupees ticket holders just stop here. This is their end point. That is their end point. They can't enter beyond that point. Whereas 250 rupees ticket holders, there is a separate entrance to watch, to see Taj Mahal, to go inside and see directly. Okay? This is Taj Mahal. Right now, we took 250 rupees ticket. That's why we are entering in. Okay? And I think 50 doesn't make any sense. Coming this far from a different state, from different places, not visiting Taj Mahal from inside, I think you're gonna miss something. Okay, don't do that. Take 250 rupees ticket and go inside and have some fun. Look around, explore. Okay?
మారు స్టెప్ మారు
తాగే పుట్టిన తేడా పెరిగిన రప్ప రప్ప ఘుమా ఘుమా రౌండ్
This part of Rock Mahal. Here at this part, this side. I don't know what is it called.
No, these are the 4 gates.
Yeah. Let me show you around. Come with me. Run.
లేపినా తూటా దింపినా అలే బెలే బంగా నకోలే నోలే
గుంజు కొడితే గుడ్డు గులాబ్ జామ్ అవుతుంది
Do you know something about Taj Mahal? Little bit what?
Yeah, like Shah Jahan made it for his wife Mumtaz. Then she died.
Okay, after that,
Yes.
that's it.
And there is some rumors like when this made up complete,
What were the rumors?
They cut that
they cut the
laborer
hands of
hand.
these workers. Why? I like they can again made like this kind of stuff.
Okay, thank you. Folks, do you know what is this river called? It's called Yamuna River. Okay? And this Taj Mahal is beautifully constructed just beside Yamuna River. On the other side of the Yamuna River.
Do you want to say something about about construction?
After construction got over, it is rumored that
Not
the
rumor,
labor
that's
would-
true.
That's true. Okay. The labor would cut their hands because
They cannot
Shah Jahan thought they would copy the design of this construction and do somewhere else. And apparently he did not want that to happen. Okay. So that's very cruel. I don't think he did that, but people say. Can we show Yamuna River? Yamuna River. We are on the back side of Taj Mahal, and what you see, water flow, is actually Yamuna River. Can I also show on the other side? See, this Taj Mahal has been beautifully constructed just on the shore of Yamuna River. How strategically they constructed so that they don't fall short of water, I believe.
Shah Jahan and Mumtaz tombs are inside the Taj Mahal, but the cameras are not allowed to capture them.
Your time is up, my time is now.